Yo everyone, this is Kirk Roldan from Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can automate your SEO, Google Analytics, Search Console reporting, doing Facebook ads, doing Google ads. You can do manual, but it's better to do it automated. And this video I'm going to share with you is very powerful, and this is very effective for my campaigns as well because I'm using this on a daily basis for my clients and also for my projects as well. So you can connect it on Claude. I use Claude and also other tools that I use there. Now, without further ado, let's start. I use a tool called Wensor.ai. I'm not promoting them. I'm just very happy because I can easily integrate Wensor.ai to my Claude account that I use. So there are a lot of things that you can add there, including Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram, YouTube, GHL, TikTok, Shopify, a lot more. What it does is you can have an API connected to Claude or any AI platforms out there. So meaning you don't need to do it manually. All the data from, let's say for example, in this demonstration, I have data that I want to audit in Google Search Console. So when I'm going to do it manually, it's very hard for me because it's not complete, it's not full, and you need to do it on a manual basis. But here it's connected, so it's easier for me to have an audit. So I'm also going to demonstrate it to you now. So you need to have a tool, Claude or other tools that you want. I'm just going to share with you the connection between this tool, no? So let's try it first to do it manually. Now, I'll go to Google Search Console because I want to gather data from Google Search Console. And then I'm going to go here to the website that you want to check the audit, and then click export and then download in Excel or CSV. And then let's open Claude. So here's how you can do it manually. Just drag them here. Here's your data. You need to make sure you are in cowork, and then run this audit. Run this Google Search Console audit. Here's how I do it if I do it manually. Then let's wait for this to load, but in this demonstration purposes, I'm going to post this video. All right, the analysis is completed, but I stop it because I don't want to wait longer. So, but that is how you do it manually. Now, you need to have a subscription on Wensor if you want to use this. And what you can do, let's say if you want to connect this Google Search Console, in the first time you use this, just click grant Search Console access and then just follow that. You can sync your email that you use and then it will be available here, and all the domains connected to this email address will be added here, like what you see here. I'm going to hide this data so you cannot see our client's information. Yeah, but that's how you do it. And then you need to go back to Claude and then just click your name here and then go to settings. And then here's also what you can do. You can go to, since mine is already here, it's already connected, but for you, you can go to extension and then click browse extension and then type here Wensor. Then follow that process and it will connect your Claude account to Wensor and then it's synced together. Want more leads from Google? Go to kirkroldanseo.com. I'll find what's holding you back and develop a custom strategy for free. So it will goes like this. Now mine it's already connected, so I'm not going to connect them again, but it's already here. Make sure they are allowed, always allow, so you don't need to manually click that allowed button. And then yeah, that's how you do it. And by the way, I have this agency OS that I use, so it's synced from Ahrefs, Wensor, Local Falcon, and other tools. So how you can grab the API, just go here and then click that website, then click next and then grab this. This is the API key that you have for that business, and every data here will be synced, no? Just add them here in the API key section, and then once it's there, just click save, so it will save there, and then that's it. That's how you do it. And then first you need to do is to run, make sure they read it, run the account I added from. So let's wait for this to load. All right, here's the result from Wensor, so it stays here. All right, I already added the account, and check the newly added account is this website, so meaning they are synced from Google Search Console and also the analytics that they have, no? So it's read. So meaning right now, every time I have a new updates or I want to check or I create an SEO report for my client, then the data and the API will be synced here automatically without me exporting from analytics or search console and then manually add them here because it takes time, right? And also any tools that you have, you can see them here. So for example, this one, check the Ahrefs. Because I already connected the API key for Ahrefs, I can now sync the data. So if I do an SEO audit from Ahrefs, it will be synced here together. If you have gathered data from Screaming Frog, like this one, because they don't have any MCP connector, then what you can do is to manually import them. But soon, hopefully they have, so you can sync them together. So that's how you do it, the manual and also the automated. There's a lot of tools that you can use in Windsor, depends on what you are using. Again, I'm not trying to promote them, but yeah, I'm just happy because I can connect them easily from this tool to a different tool, and all the data, all the reports that I want to gather will be synced in one tool together. So that's it for this video. Talk to you again soon. Take care.